Hello friends, good afternoon once again here at Tarifa Funworks. Well, look at what I bring you today. My latest Funworks reshapes board that arrived from the workshop today. We will put a link in the video so you can see how we make our boards. In the end, they are recycled boards. Okay, this one I have here was a taboo board. This board is about 10 years old or so, and as you can see we have recycled it. This board will have remained at about 60 liters, so now I'll tell you a little about what I use this board for. As you can see in this case, we have made a cut in the bow so that we have cut everything that was left over from the original board. We have been left with a length of about 2.10.
Yes.
Especially this shape of the bow that we give it, which I like mainly aesthetically. I like it a lot, and that is almost what I use this type of boards for strong lifts, where most of the time it is with choppy, and I use it more than anything to jump. And actually testing with this shape, I feel it is much more stable in the air. It has more surface area so the wind affects it more, and I feel that I have more control of the board. What else have we done to this table? In this case we have made a fish. See? Why a fish? Well, it increases the contact surface in the water a little more and gives a little more stability. I use this table for candles of 3.3, 3.5, 3.7 maximum. As you know, here in Tarifa we have a lot of wind, very strong winds, and we have my specific boards. I especially like boards with an old shape and very small because as you can see they are very thin. The volumes in the back are very thin and there is no excess volume at all. Nowhere me when the wind is strong, I don't want excess volume. We don't really need it as long as the board is planning, and such a short board so thin and with so little volume, we feel that the board is like a skateboard. We put it where we want and we have a lot of control. What do I recommend for such small boards and such strong winds? In this case, as I almost always use it with choppy, what I am looking for is for the board to be very fast, to go very close to the water, and to have a lot of control with the gusts. That's why I'd always use a single fin for these conditions in this type of boards. In this case and for these sail sizes, I use 19, which covers these three sail sizes. As I always tell you, if you are interested in seeing them, in trying them, you have a board that is old, that you like how it works, that is in good condition, contact us and we will propose the project of recycling your board. You see that they look great, and here you have me to advise you and help you in your choice. What else can I tell you?
Como siempre, todos nuestros productos, y os invito a entrar en nuestra tienda online, tarifafunworks.com, y bueno, ya os iré contando más cosas. Yo estoy deseando llevar esta tabla mía al agua, que ya os digo, yo estas tablas y con viento fuerte las disfruto muchísimo y van genial. Para mí esto es como un patinete, que cuanto más apriete el viento, más puedo cerrar vela y mantengo todo el control. Así que nada, próximamente os cuento más cosas. Hasta la próxima, amigos. Chao, gracias.